Hi, this is DatT, and this is our team member's achievement for Sprint4. For this week, I worked on implementing a friendly home user interface and also worked on the returning book feature. And I also worked on the uploading book image. And then YanFayC worked on implementing the checkout book functionality for the borrower.
This is YanFei Chong and this is my demo. Child user story, checkout book. As a borrower, I want to be able to check out the book whose request is accepted by the lender so that I can check out the book. When the borrower clicks on the checkout button and if the checkout is successful, a pop-up message will appear to notify the borrower that he or she has checked out the book. Upon successful checkout, the request status of the book will be updated on the Firestore. The checked out book will appear in the Checked Out tab under History. The information of checked out book will also appear in the Firestore database. So right now in History, under the Checked Out tab, I have Just Dance. Let's go to Tracking, Confirm. Youngblood, it's being confirmed, and I'm still yet to check it out. Let's take a look at the database on Firestore. Right now it says for Youngblood, the request status is request accepted. And under History, I have Just Dance and Thank You Next. So let's check it out. Pop-up message appears. Let's go to Request Doc. Checked out now when it was previously request accepted. Youngblood, it's being checked out. Now let's take a look under the History page, Checked Out tab, over here, Youngblood. So this is the end of my demo. Thank you.
Hi, this is DatT again, and this is my part. As a user, I want to have a friendly UI homepage so that I can navigate to specific page quicker. Acceptance criteria: when click on the icons on the left side of the screen, the new activity should slide from left to right. When click on the icons on the right side of the screen, the new activity should slide in from right to left. In the search page, when click on the roof, the main activity slide from bottom to up. So here I'm on my home page because I'm logged in already, and I want to click on any of the icon on the left side, and I want this screen to slide to the right. So if I click on search, as you can see, the screen slide to the right. So I'm going to go back and click on a different one, checked out, and it slide to the right. And if I click on this side, I want it to slide from right to left. So I'll click on Add Book. As you can see, it slide over, and then it go directly to the Add Book fragment. I'll go back, and then if I click on Request, it'll slide again, and it go directly to the request page. So it skip all of this. And then if I go back to the search page, and then there's this like home, a house roof icon. If I click on that, it will slide from bottom up back to the home page. As a lender, I want to import pictures of the book so that other user can see it. Acceptance criteria: when click on the empty image, the image gallery is open. Selected image replace the empty photos in the Add Book page. The uploaded photos should reflect the database. So here I'm going to go click on Add Book right here, and I'll add another book. And then I'll import in a picture for the book. Here I'll just select a random image. I'll select this, and then I'll submit it. And then it will redirect me to the listing page and show that I have just uploaded this book with this image. And then if I go to the database real quick, I go to book doc, and then in here, since I was Tom68, I go to that, and then it show the image that the book that I was uploaded. And if I go back to the search page, it also show the book that I just uploaded with the image. As a borrower, I want to return the book so that the lender can have their book back. Acceptance criteria: the checkout book history item will be removed from the checkout page. A return confirmation item is populated on the lender's returning page. The status of the history item is reflected on the database. So first up, I'm going to go to the database real quick. So right now, I have one book that I checked out. So if I go to my history page, I have a book that I borrowed from DatT and I checked out. And here the status is checked out. And now I want to return this book to DatT. So I'll hit return. And as you can see, it removed that item from the checkout page. And if I go to the return page, there's nothing because I'm not the owner of that book. DatT is, so DatT needs to confirm my return request. So I'm going to log out of Tom68 real quick. And then I'll log in as DatT. And then if I go to returning, I can see that the borrower Tommy Win, which is Tom68, would like to return this book, and I can confirm his return request. And then if I check the database again, as you can see, the history status now is changed to return processing instead of checked out. And that's it for our Sprint 4. Thank you for listening.